Today we are doing problems on fitting a straight line. See the problem. By the method of least square methods, find the straight line that best fits the following data. So they are giving some data x and y values. Now we want to fit a straight line. So for fitting a straight line, we know that the straight line equation is y is equal to a plus bx. So here we are using the method of least square. First we have to write down the normal equations for this given straight line. So this is here, let it be equation 1. The normal equations are we are writing using this least squares method. Normal equations are summation yi equal to na plus b into summation xi. Let it be, this is equation 2, and summation xi into yi equal to a summation xi plus b summation xi square. Let it be, this is equation 3. So these two are the two normal equations for the straight line. Using least squares method we wrote like this. Okay. So now we are finding summation yi, summation xi into yi, summation xi square. All these values we are calculating by using the calculator. Now you are giving the values in calculator. First of all, our calculator we are changing mode into regression. For this, press mode 2 times. Here we are having reg 2. So that means press 2. So it is in regression, and this is a linear equation. So press 1, lin means linear. Press 1. Now it is in linear mode. So now give the values of x and y values. So the first value of y can be given as 1, 14 m plus. Next, the second value can be given as 2, 27 m plus. Third value is 3, 40 m plus. Fourth value is 4, 55 m plus. And fifth value is, here we are having 5. Fifth value is 5, 68 m plus. After giving all these values, then you have to press shift 1. Here we are having summation x square, summation x, n value, all values are you can write using this value. So first I am writing summation x square. In summation x square we are having 1. So I am writing summation xi square equal to, press 1 and equal to, we get that value is 55. And then again shift 1, summation x, press 2 equal to, the summation x is we are getting 15. Next, n is number of observation. They are giving number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that can be taken as n is 5. So next we want summation xi into yi. For this again you have to press shift 1 side arrow. We have summation xy. So write down summation xi into yi. That value press 3 equal to, we get that value is 748. Okay. So we want summation x, summation xi yi, summation xi and summation xi square, and also we want summation yi. For this summation yi again shift 1 side arrow, summation y, here we are having 2. So press 2 equal to, we get summation y is 204. Summation yi is 204. So we get all the values using calculator. Now all these values we are substituting in equation 2 and equation 3. Substitute all values in equation 2 and equation 3. We get summation y. So that summation y is 204 equal to NA, n is equal to 5, 5a plus summation x, that is 15b. This implies, this is also can be written as 15b equal to 204, and second equation implies 15a plus 55b is equal to 748. this is equation 4 and let it be this is equation 5. Now we are solving equation 4 and 5, we can get A and B value. So these two equations also solving using your calculators. These two equations in your calculator, so we are changing the mode into equation mode. For this mode, press 3 times. Here equation we are having 1, so press 1. So 2 unknowns, 3 unknowns we are having. Here we want to find out 2 unknowns A and B. So press 2 and give the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. A1 means A quotient, so that is 5, and B1 means B quotient, that is 15, and C1 means right hand side value, that is 204, constant value. Press equal to. From the fifth equation again A2, B2, C2. So A2 is 15, press equal to. B2 is 55, press equal to. C2 is 748, press equal to. We get A and B unknown values. So I am writing here, we get A is equal to 0. Again press equal to. B is equal to 13.6. So we get A and B both the values. Now these values we are substituting in equation 1. We get a straight line equation. So substitute A and B values in equation 1. So therefore y is equal to A is 0 plus B is 13.6 into x, implies y equal to 13.6 into x, which is known as the straight line equation for the given data. Next problem. Fit a straight line to the following data and estimate the mean CPU time at x value equal to 3.5, and the given table is number of jobs and CPU time. So they are giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 5, 4, 9, 10 values they are given. So here first we had to fit a straight line equation. Since we know that the straight line equation is, we can consider y is equal to A plus bx. Let it be this is equation 1. For fitting this straight line equation, here we are using the least squares method. So using that least squares method, we are writing the normal equation. So the two normal equations are summation yi equal to na plus b into summation xi. Let it be this is equation 2. Summation xi into yi equal to a into summation xi plus b into summation xi square. Let it be this is equation 3. Okay. So here we want to find out summation yi, summation xi yi and summation xi square value. So we are finding all these values directly using your calculators. So for this, your calculator mode we are changing into regression. So press mode 2 times, we have regression, that value 2. So press 2. Next we are changing this one into linear mode, which is a linear equation. So press 1. LIN means linear, press 1. Then give the values. Pair of values we have to give it. So that is 1, 2, 2, 5 like that. Okay. 1, 2 press M plus, 2, 5 M plus, third one 3, 4 M plus, 4, 9 M plus, and fifth one is 5, 10 M plus. After giving all the values, so now write down here n is equal to number of observation. Clearly we are having 5 observation, n can be taken as 5. So next summation xi. Summation xi means, so in your calculator press shift 1. Here summation x square, summation x we are having. For summation x press 2. So 2 equal to, we get that value is 15. Next summation xi square, shift 1, summation x square, here we are having 1. So press 1 equal to, we get that value is equal to 55. Next summation xi into yi. So for this shift 1 side arrow we are having summation xy. So that is press 3 equal to, we get that value is 110. Next Next value is summation yi. For the summation yi, shift 1, press side arrow. Here we are having summation y, press 2 equal to, we get that value is 30. So this is 30. So now we get all the values. All these values we are substituting in equation 2 and equation 3. So equation 2 implies NA plus. NA means 5a plus, and this one b summation xi. Summation xi is 15b equal to summation y we are having. Here summation y value is equal to 30. Let it be, this is equation 4. Next, equation 3 implies a summation xi. Summation xi is 15a plus summation xi square, that is 55b is equal to summation xi into yi. So now I am taking into right hand side, so that is 110. Let it be, this is equation 5. So now we are solving equation 4 and 5. So we get the unknown values a and b value. So for solving these two equations, again we are using the calculator. So first of all, your calculator changing into equation mode. For changing into equation mode, press mode 3 times. We get equation 1 and 2 unknowns you are having. So press 2. Give the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. a1 means a quotient 5 equal to, b1 means b quotient 15 equal to constant 30 equal to, next a2 15 equal to, b2 55 equal to, c2 110. Press equal to, we get a is equal to 0 and b is equal to, again press equal to, b is equal to 2 we are getting. So now we know two unknown values. These two unknown values we are substituting in equation 1. Substitute a, b values in equation 1. So that is y equal to 0 plus 2 into x. This implies y equal to tx. This is the straight line equation. So in our question they are asking, find the mean CPU time at x equal to 3.5. So that means after getting the straight line equation, substituting x equal to 3.5 in the straight line equation, we get y at 3.5 is equal to 2 into 3.5. So 2 into 3.5 value is equal to 7. So this is the mean CPU time for y at 3.5. Now you are doing problems on second degree polynomial, that is known as a parabola equation. So this is the given data, fit a second degree polynomial to the following data by the method of least squares. And they are giving x values 10, 12, 15, 23, 20, y values are 14, 17, 23, 25, 21. So now we want to find out second degree polynomial equation. Since we know that second degree polynomial equation can be written as y equal to a plus bx plus cx square, or this is also can be taken as y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So in these two equations any one you can take. So now I am considering this one. So this is, let it be, equation 1. Okay. So now for this second degree polynomial using the method of least squares, now I am writing the normal equation. So the normal equations are, so this can be written as NA plus B summation xi plus C summation xi square equal to summation yi. I am taking this y into right hand side and this term into left hand side, and let it be, this is equation 2. Next, the second normal equation is A summation xi plus B summation xi square plus C summation xi cube equal to summation xi into yi. Let it be, this is equation 3. Next, the third normal equation is A summation xi square plus B summation xi cube plus C summation xi power 4 equal to summation xi square yi. Let it be, this is equation 4. So now, in these three equations, now we want to find out summation xi, xi square, xi cube, xi power 4, xy, y, and summation xi square into yi values are we are finding. So if you want to find out these values manually, you can construct a table and you can find, or we can using the calculator also we can find easily. Now I am using the calculator. Now I am finding these values for this in your calculator. First we are changing into regression mode. So press mode 2 times, we are getting 2. Regression we are having 2, so press 2. After that, this is the second order equation. Second order means which is also known as a quadratic equation. So quadratic means, so here linear, log, exponential. Press side arrow, we have power inverse quad. So quad means quadratic. So here we are having 3, so press 3. So now that can be changing into quadratic form. So now give the values same as it is 10, 14, m plus 12, 17, m plus, like that. So I am giving 10, 14, m plus 12, 17, m plus 15, 23, m plus 23, 25, m plus, next 20, 21, m plus. After giving all the values, now note down the values are, n values we are getting 5. Next, for summation x, summation y, all these values I am writing here. N is equal to 5, summation xi square, summation xi cube, summation xi power 4, next summation xi into yi, summation yi, summation xi square into yi values we want here. So now I am pressing shift 1, summation x means press 2 equal to, we get that value is 80. Next summation x square, shift 1, press 1 equal to, we get that value 1398. Again shift 1, press side arrow, we get summation y. So summation y value, press 2, we get that is 100. Next shift 4, shift 1, side arrow, after summation yi value, again press shift 2, after summation yi, again press shift 1, side arrow, summation xy. So that is press 3 equal to 1684. Next we want xi cube. Again shift 1, side arrow, there is no x cube. Again press side arrow, here we are having x cube, x square y and x power 4. First write down x cube. Press 1 equal to, that is 26270. Next shift 1, 2 times side arrow, summation x square y. Press equal to, we get 30648. Next shift 1, 2 times side arrow, summation x power 4. So press 3 equal to, we get 521202. So these are the values we want in these three equations. Now we are substituting all the values here. We get 5a plus summation xi, 80 into b plus xi square, 1398 into c equal to summation yi, 100. Let it be, this is equation 5. Next, second equation is A summation xi, that is 80A xi square, that is 1398b plus summation xi cube 26270c equal to summation xi into yi. Summation xi into yi is 1684. Let it be, this is equation 6. Next, third equation, A summation xi square 1398a plus summation xi cube 26270c plus b plus x power 4 521202. C is equal to, and summation xi square into yi, that is 30648. Let it be, this is equation 7. So now here we want 3 unknown values. For these 3 unknown values, we are solving these 3 equations. We get the unknowns A, B and C value. So for this also, using calculator, we are finding. So for this, in your calculator, we are changing the mode into equation mode. So press mode 3 times. Here we are having equation 1, and here 3 unknowns we are having. Now press 3. Now give the values A1, B1, C1, D1. That means A quotient, B quotient, C quotient, constant. Like this we are giving the values. 5, 80, 1398, 100. Next, second equation, 80, 1398, 26270, 1684. For giving all the values, I immediately have to press the equal to button. Next, 1398 equal to 26270 equal to 521202 equal to 30648 equal to. So, after giving all the values, we get A is equal to minus 8.7279, B is equal to, again press equal to 3.0099, then press equal to, C is equal to minus 0.0695. So these are the unknown values. Now these 3 unknown values substitute in equation 1, we get a second degree polynomial. Substitute A, B, C values in equation 1. Now we are substituting A, B values in equation 1. We get y is equal to minus 8.7279 plus bx 3.0099 into x plus c minus 0.0695 into x square. So which is known as the second degree polynomial equation for the given data. Next, second problem. Fit a parabola y equal to a plus bx plus cx square to the following data. They are giving x and y value. So already they are giving parabola y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Let it be, this is equation 1. For fitting this parabola equation, here we are using the least squares method. Using this least squares method, we are writing the normal equation. The normal equations are na plus b summation xi plus c summation xi square equal to summation yi. Let it be, this is equation 2. And the second equation is e summation xi plus b summation xi square plus c summation xi cube equal to summation xi into yi. Let it be, this is equation 3. And the next equation, a summation xi square plus b summation xi cube plus c summation xi power 4 equal to summation xi square into yi. Let it be, this is equation 4. Now you are solving 2, 3, 4 equations. We get unknown values that are A, B, C values. That values we are substituting in equation 1. We get parabola equation. So for these values we are using calculator and we are finding all these values. So for this, our calculator, we are changing the mode into regression mode. Press mode 2 times. Here we are having regression. Press 2, and this is a quadratic equation, so we have to press right arrow, and here quadratic we are having 3, so press 3. Now give the values 1, 2, 2, 6 like that. So 1, 2 m plus second value, 2, 6 m plus third value, 3, 7 m plus fourth one, 4, 8 m plus fifth one, 5, 10 m plus 6, 11 m plus 6, 7, 11 m plus 8, 10 m plus 9, 9 m plus. Okay. After giving all the values, note down the values here. Here n equal to number of observations they are giving, n equal to 9. And here we want summation xi, summation xi square, summation xi cube, summation xi power 4, summation yi, summation xi into yi, and summation xi square into yi value. For finding these values, press shift 1. Here we are having summation x value. Summation x here we are having 2. So press 2 equal to, we get summation x is 45. Next, shift 1, press 1, we get summation x square, that is 285. Next, shift 1, here there is no x cube, press side arrow, we have summation y square, summation y, summation xy. Here we want summation y. So for this press 2 equal to, we get that value 74. Again, shift 1, side arrow, summation xy, press 3 equal to, we get that value 421. Again, shift 1, side arrow, there is no remaining values. Again we have to press the side arrow, we have summation x cube. So summation x cube, here we are having 1, press equal to, we get that value 2025. Next, shift 1, 2 times press side arrow, we have summation x square into y. So press 2 equal to that value 2771. Next, for x power 4, summation x power 4 means shift 1, 2 times side arrow, x power 4 means here having 3, press 3 equal to, we get that value is 15333. So now we get all the values of these 3 equations. Substitute these values into in these 3 equations. We get here n is equal to 9, so this can be written as 9a plus summation x is 45b plus x square is 285c is equal to summation y is 74. Let it be, this is equation 5. The second equation, a summation xi, that is 45a plus 285b plus summation x cube, that is 2025c is equal to summation xy 421. Let it be, this is 6. Next, a summation x square, that is 285a plus x cube, 2025b plus x power 4. X power 4 is 15333, c is equal to summation x square into yi, that value 2771. Let it be, this is equation 7. So now we are solving these 3 equations, we get a 3 unknown values. For this again we are using the calculator. So press mode 3 times, we are having equation 1, and here we are having 3 unknowns we want to find out. So press 3, give the values a1, b1, c1, quotients of a, b, c constant. So first equation 9 equal to 45 equal to 285 equal to 74. Next second equation, 45 equal to 285 equal to 2025 equal to D2, 421 equal to. Next, 285 equal to 2025 equal to 15333 equal to 2771. So press equal to, we get A is equal to minus 0.9286, B is equal to, again press equal to 3.5232, again press equal to, we get C is minus 0.2673. Substitute these values in equation 1. We get equation 1 is this one. Now substitute here. Therefore, y is equal to minus 0.9286 plus b is 3.5232 into x plus c is minus 0.2673 into x square. So this is the given data for the given data parabola equation. Okay. So these are the problems related to second order polynomial.